we're back. Hi guys, how you doing? My name is Andy Crimson and this is Mukbangs and Hangs. Sorry for the little bit of a different camera angle. I had a mount malfunction, so I'm making the best of it. But how you guys doing? I've decided to go with a new place that I've never had before. It is called Maggiano's Italian Classics out of Maggiano's Little Italy. It's a ghost kitchen, so that means there's no physical restaurant near me. Someone else is in charge of making the food, just like Mr. Beast Burger. And I found out this particular restaurant is inside of Chili's. So I'm kind of excited because I know I really love Chili's like Cajun pasta, so maybe this one will be just as delicious. It was a lunch combo. It was, it says server omnivore. Interesting. I have an Italian salad and chicken Alfredo because I love chicken Alfredo, but I have a problem with how much it costs sometimes. Like, I don't see why it's so expensive, and just the right product, because sometimes they're too dry, sometimes the chicken is just kind of wonky. So I'm really hoping to find that sweet spot of affordable and delicious. I'm trying to open this so I can show you guys. Oh, got my breadstick. Nice, decent size amount of food. Looks pretty creamy. It smells divine, so we'll get into that in a little bit. Let me show you guys the salad here. Got some balsamic vinaigrette, I guess. Really pretty. So let me try to take a thumbnail. It's all these boxes, it ain't that pretty. And if not, we'll just do it the other way, the old-fashioned way. So we've got... Okay, I'm done. So we're gonna put this over here. Let's see. Drizzle that. I'm the type of person that likes to eat the salad first. I know some people like to have them side by side, but not me. Let's see. Oh, check it out, guys. I've got my own mukbang fork. I've been kind of using just the silverware from home, but I was really after like the wooden coultery? I can't even say it. The wooden like spoons and forks that I've seen other mukbangers use, but I haven't been able to find any. But went to Academy and they have these like camping utensils, so it worked out perfect. So we've got onions, there's a little bit of Parmesan cheese, croutons, lettuce, tomato. There's black olives in here, which I am not a fan. This giant old pepper, not a fan. This is where we mess up. I feel so chaotic and thrown off because of this mount issue that I have. First bite. Mmm. Mmm. Tastes just like the salad at Olive Garden. The dressing's not too heavy. It's fresh and crispy. So guys, how was your Thanksgiving? I personally didn't pick out that much. I had like one serving of everything and then 2 pieces of pie. Super delicious. And then we played some games with the fam. We're spending quality time together. I'm not gonna finish this because I really want to get into that chicken Alfredo. I'll probably save this for later. Ooh, this boy's heavy. Let's see if I can. It's kind of stiff. Let me see if I can mix everything around a bit. I have a good feeling about this. This is like very cheesy and creamy looking. So let's just try some noodles by themselves. Check that out. Okay, here we go. Mmm. Definitely really creamy. Look at this. Cheese pools. Mmm. Oh yeah. Let's try it with some chicken. It's not that grilled. So let's see. Mmm. It's almost got a little bit of like a lemon seasoning. This is so good, guys. Look at all of that. Try to do another thumbnail. I don't think I've ever had a chicken Alfredo this creamy. It has more of a consistency like a real thick mac and cheese, which I don't even think Olive Garden makes it like that. So I think this beats Olive Garden. Let's try this bread. It's pretty typical. So have you guys checked out your Spotify Wrapped yet? I mean, mine was like no surprise there. Like, Ghost is always like #1 for me. If you've been following me on Instagram, sometimes I like to do little games, little polls and stuff. And yesterday I kind of did a Christmas one of, you know, in honor of like the season coming through, you know. And I was surprised with the poll results. Like, first of all, well, I guess you can't blame them. The original Grinch beat out Jim Carrey's, which I really love Jim Carrey's. They're both really great. The one I was surprised at was, how does Home Alone beat Jingle All the Way? Like, seriously, that's just wrong. And then one of my favorite Christmas movies, I know it wasn't really popular in the poll. It's just, it meant a lot to me as I was watching it when I was a child. It's called Prancer. It's more of a, I don't want to say serious. It's more of like a drama, but it's super cute. And I pitted it against the Polar Express because it's about the magic of Christmas and, you know, and pertaining from the point of view of a child. But of course, Polar Express won. You guys, if you have food delivery apps, you guys need to check out this kitchen, Maggianos. This is bomb. Like, I'm really surprised. Because you never know, these ghost kitchens are like hit or miss. having way too much fun with this. I can't tell you how satisfied I am right now. I've been craving a good pasta for like the longest time. Like, I love me some carbs, pizza, pasta, cake, the works. You know, of course I gotta go run all that out and stuff, but it's not. Oh. But yes, this is exactly what I was looking for. Guys, don't forget that I am planning a 2K giveaway on Instagram. Once I reach the goal, I'm trying to think of different prizes to add to the giveaway. I think we should be all good to go if I reach the goal next year by March. So if you guys aren't already, you should be following me there. Tell your friends. I really want to open up the giveaway to international. I'm just trying to see like how the mailing process goes. I don't think we should have a problem. This might take a little longer, just depends. And I'm gonna check with like UPS, FedEx to see if there's certain countries that they can't ship to. Y'all, this is like a lot. I have a lot left over, so I'm probably not gonna finish it. Just want to get at least one good piece of chicken in here. Chicken. I'm gonna be like in a super good mood the rest of the day. Can you tell I'm a foodie? I'm pretty sure I can keep going, but I do not want to like gorge myself. Like the inner fatty in me is just like, just do it. And I'm like, I can't. Plus it'd be nice to have a little snack for later. But just so you can always appreciate how thick, cheesy, and creamy this stuff is. So we'll get like a really good last bite. It's already all twisted up. So you're gonna stuff all this. So this is technically gonna be the last bite. Let's see. I'm in heaven. I would start singing, but I don't want to get like copyright strike for humming like the Bryan Adams song. Maggianos what is this? Maggianos Italian Classics. And if you have a Little Italy restaurant near you, it's the same kitchen. This is just like their smaller version, I guess, for their ghost kitchen type deals. Wow. So, can you guess what the rating is going to be? We're doing 10 out of 10 for Maggiano's Italian Classics. I mean, it really hit the spot. There was nothing wrong with it. Sometimes I get hit or miss with these food orders, you know. But it was creamy. The chicken was just perfect. And it's a good amount for the price. Granted, you still always have to pay extra for fettuccine Alfredo, whether you're adding shrimp or chicken. But it wasn't that bad compared to some other places I was shopping around. So get the lunch combo. It comes with a salad. And yeah, like this was amazing. Like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. TikTok cringe. I know. I'm sorry, not sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching today's mukbang. It means a lot to me when you support the channel. If you want to see anything else, go ahead and check out the rest of my page. If you want to tell me something, leave a comment down below. I will get back to you. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Check out my merch. It's in the description as well. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.